Hello, this is back with Agnes from Kopi dan Tanaman, and we are back on Saturday plant routine. Today we are going to address a problem that you have been facing. Many of you have been messaging us about those little itsy bitsy white little suckers called mealybugs. So in this video, we will show you how we make our neem oil solution and how we apply it to a plant. But this is not the only recipe available for neem oil. You can freely adjust based on your needs, and feel free to try other alternatives as well. This is how we do our neem oil solution. So we take water and we mix it with some neem oil, and we add a little bit of soap. Why we add the soap? Because we need the neem oil to disperse into the water, so at the moment you spray to your plants, you can cover the leaves, the top and the bottom of the leaves. After that, we will add a little bit of peppermint oil, but you can feel free to add other types of essential oil, but we love to use peppermint oil in our garden. So the key is to make sure that the neem oil will cover the top and the bottom part of the leaves, so that when the insects bite into your leaves, it will digest the neem oil and eventually it will stop the life cycle of the insect. And don't worry, this will not disrupt your beneficial bugs. This will only affect the bugs that chew into the leaves and the stem of the plant. It is also very important for you to remember to test every time you do a new recipe for a foliage spray. So you can test to like around 3 leaves of your plant and then wait around like 45 hours and see whether there's any damage to that plant. If not, then carry on. You can feel free to use that recipe because each plant is different characteristic, and some are more sensitive to a certain ingredient than the others. So testing is just a way to make sure that your plant will not be harmed by using these foliage sprays. So how frequent should you use this foliage spray? If you are doing this for prevention, then we usually use it for around every 7 to 14 days. But if you are having a bug infestation, then you can push it further to around 3 to 5 days. Use it every 3 to 5 days, and hopefully that will stop the life cycle of the bugs. We will demo how we apply this neem oil spray to our Sansevieria or Dracaena that has been infested by mealybugs. So practically you just take your neem spray, you shake it well, and you spray onto your plant. But because this is a succulent type of plant, make sure that you have to dry it well after applying your neem oil. Don't let it sit with a lot of water because it might be too much for the plant. So this is all we have for today. We do hope that you will be able to combat your insect problems and your plant will be pest-free after this. If you find that our videos are useful for you to become a better gardener, please do subscribe, share, and like our videos. And if you do have any more pest problem, do comment below so we know what you are facing, and we'll try to help you with those problems as well. This is Agnes from Kopi dan Tanaman. Until we see you again, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.